Welcome to the Westport Library tutorial on how to access Nexis Uni online. Nexis Uni is a database that features more than 15,000 news, business, and legal sources, including U.S. Supreme Court decisions dating back to 1790, company profiles, and SEC filings. You can access most of Nexis Uni from this main page. Enter your search term in the highlighted box. Nexis Uni lets you filter results at the beginning of your search by date and content type. This feature is optional. The search will default to all available dates, but you might want to see results that are as current as today, or a specific date range. You can specify the type of content you wish to see. For example, if you are interested in a person with the name of your search term, you could select people. If you don't select anything, you will get back all content types that match your search term. Other types are news, companies, legal, scientific, and intellectual property. Here are the results of your search. For each entry, you can see the title, publication date, publisher, and a brief preview. There are often many entries returned, but they are sorted by relevance. Now that you can see what your search returns, you can use the filters to further narrow your results. This screen shows you a list of the different types of documents retrieved by using that search term. For example, there are biographies, statutes, legal news, etc. If you select a particular type of document, or more than one, the search will return a much smaller list. Note the search default is news. You can filter your results even further by clicking on any of the options in the left-hand panel. To see the document, click on its title. Here is the entry you clicked on. You have the option to print, email, or download the article by clicking on the appropriate icon. To start a new search, click on the Nexis Uni logo to return to the main screen. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to access Nexis Uni. If you have any questions, please visit the reference desk or email us at ref@westportlibrary.org.